Hello friends, in this video we will see the arrangements in the balcony in my house. So this is the balcony. This is 6 feet by 10 feet, neither too small neither too large. It's a medium sized balcony. We use balcony very heavily. Very often we visit here for many purposes, and I can tell you one thing, that the way it is arranged, it is highly functional. We do many things here, and yet it is not very congested. It has a lot of room for free movement. So I'll show you what all things are there. So the first thing is lots of place for the cloth drying. You can see this bracket. It has 4 wires. These are called GI wires, easily available in any local hardware shop. This bracket is from Amazon. Again, a relatively smaller bracket, 2 wires, and there also you can see this is called anchor bolt. This is also easily available in the local hardware shop. Again, an anchor bolt. That side also again one anchor bolt. So lots of arrangement for the cloth drying. These brackets I bought from Amazon. I'll put the link of these in the description. You can explore these products. And second thing is this dustbin holder, wall mount dustbin holder, and the small nail for the broom. Okay. Third is there is a tulsi arrangement. This swing, this swing is detachable. So sometimes we just remove the swing, and this is a place where we place the kids pool. We fill the water and enjoy in the summertime. And this is a place, a free moment place, where sometimes I do the office work also. So lots of functional things. Medium sized balcony, but heavily functional. Let me give you a full view. So this rope part for the cloth drying is very important. This is the main functional area. You can save the space. You can see the floor is clean. There is nothing on the floor. Everything is wall mount, and yet it is highly practical to use. And one more thing is, suppose if you are liking this arrangement and if you want to replicate this, then try to keep it at the lower height. For example, you can see this one is less than 5 feet height, so that you can easily see all these channels and easily put the clothes. Okay, the distance is not much, right? Just 3 inches between the wires, so you need the good access to put the clothes. So that's it for this video. If you like the content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. If you have any question or concern, you can put it in the comment about the video I shown, or if you have any suggestion for further betterment, or if you have a better idea, that also you can put in the comment section. I would like to hear from you also.